You've probably researched estate planning or are considering setting up an estate plan, but perhaps terms like trust, trustee, probate are still confusing. Well, today we're going to go over some of these basic estate planning terms in plain English to make it easier for you to understand and figure out what you actually need for you and your family. Our goal is to educate, share knowledge, and make this process as easy as possible so that you can get the peace of mind that you deserve. My name is Cindy Kang, and I'm the founder and principal attorney at CMK Law Group. We help families plan wisely today for lasting peace of mind tomorrow through simple and sensible estate planning and special needs planning. So what is a trust? A trust is a legal arrangement that determines how your assets will be managed and distributed after your death. Think of it as a rule book that you create for your finances and your property. Unlike a will, a trust does not go through probate, meaning that your loved ones avoid court delays and unnecessary expenses. There are many different types of trusts, and the right one for you might depend on your family's unique situation and custom goals. We won't go through all of the different types of trusts today, but just know that a trust keeps your estate private and ensures that your wishes are carried out efficiently. The person who creates a trust is called the trust maker, settlor, or grantor. These terms can be used interchangeably and all mean the same thing. If you're setting up an estate plan, you or your spouse are likely the trust makers. You decide what assets go into the trust and how they should be handled. Beneficiary. A beneficiary is a person or entity that will receive assets under the trust. Your beneficiaries can be family members, such as your children or your spouse, charities, or another trust. However, certain government benefits and state laws may limit who you can or should name as beneficiary under your trust. For example, special considerations apply if you have a loved one with disabilities or other special needs who relies on government aid. Most of our clients set up their trusts primarily to protect their children once they and their spouse are gone, which is possibly a reason why you are also considering setting up an estate plan as well. Now let's talk about who manages the trust and the assets in the trust after it's created. A trustee is the person or institution responsible for managing and distributing trust assets according to the trust's instructions. For example, if your trust says that your money should be used for your child's education, the trustee ensures that that happens. A successor trustee is a backup trustee who steps in if the first trustee can't serve anymore, whether due to death, incapacity, or resignation. Choosing the right trustee is crucial because they play a critical role in carrying out your wishes. We'll cover the responsibilities of a trustee in more detail in another video. One of the biggest reasons why people create a trust is to avoid probate. So what is probate? Probate is a court process that happens when someone passes away without an estate plan. The court supervises the distribution of assets, which can be expensive. Probate fees in California can easily exceed the tens of thousands of dollars for even a modest estate. Time consuming. It can take 12 to 24 months before your loved ones receive their inheritance. And public. All your financial and family details become a matter of public record. During probate, a public notice is posted inviting creditors and even distant relatives to make claims against your estate. Sadly, this can lead to a lot of unnecessary disputes and delays for your family. An estate plan is not just for wealthy families. It's for anyone who wants to protect their children's futures, keep their assets out of probate, ensure their wishes are followed, and maintain privacy for their family. If you're in California and you'd like to have some help to set up an estate plan, or you just want to explore your options, please contact CMK Law Group. You can find our contact information in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so that other families can find this information who may also find it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us and we'll do our best to get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.